This Tacoma 2025 just pulling over. It's about to get the best protection from TonnoFlip, door visors, TonnoFlip, tonneau cover, bed mat, interior mats. First thing we're gonna do is gonna replace the rear mat. This is the factory original Tacoma mat, and we're gonna replace it with the TonnoFlip bed mat. Now we'll be installing the bed cover step by step so you can see how easy it is. Installing the brackets on the rails. And these brackets is gonna go on the factory threaded holes. And then this rail is gonna be repositioned to here. So you're not gonna lose the factory rails. Now he's gonna be installing the rail. Sorry about the noise, guys, but this is real life here at TFP Shop. We're doing several trucks here, another one for headlights, and some other accessories. And we have this other Tacoma here, wheels and tires, interior mats, door visors. This is what we do every day. I wanna show you guys how we do it. No gimmicks. No edits, this is just straight from the TFP Shop. Look, anyone can do this installation, pretty easy. This is not an installation video, guys, but I'm just gonna show you clips here so you can see how easy you can install these tonneau covers. You don't need to drill any holes. These screws go into the factory holes, and now the factory rail is going to be relocated here on the brackets provided by TonnoFlip. So you don't lose any of the factory capabilities. Look, factory rail, it just moves down about 3 inches, so it's going to work perfectly if you want to tie down some items in the back. Now he's gonna place the tonneau cover on top of the rails. He's aligning the cover on the rails, making sure that is properly installed. Now he's gonna proceed to install the buckle straps. Buckle strap installed, so if you wanna drive with the first panel down and carry something on this space here, you can do it because our tonneau cover has the straps. This screw and the plastic knob is going to attach the tonneau cover to the side rails. You have the knob with the washer. This is very easy to remove. If you want to remove this tonneau cover completely, it only takes like 30 seconds because you just unscrew this knob here on both sides and you'll be able to take off the tonneau cover. Now he's going to make sure the cover is properly aligned. Now he's going to be installing the bumper stoppers. Now we're gonna replace the factory mat with the TonnoFlip interior mat. Come over here, I'm gonna show you something. This interior mat does not have raised edges. So what that means is that if you spill something, your carpet is gonna get wet. But you'll see how it's gonna look now with the TonnoFlip interior mats. See the difference? Look at our TonnoFlip interior mat, raised edges. Look at this. Let's install it so you can see how it looks on the truck. Let's replace the other side. Look at the difference. As you can see here, it does not cover the whole floor, the sides here. You're gonna see now with our TonnoFlip interior mats, you can clearly see the difference. Factory clips, it covers the whole thing. Look. This covers the whole floor. Now the last thing we'll be installing on this Toyota Tacoma, TFP door visors. And I'm gonna show you how easy you could install these door visors on this Tacoma 2024. Now the first thing he's gonna do, he's gonna make sure to clean the channel so the tape can stick inside. Look how you can bend these door visors. This is not a regular door visors. You can bend them and they're not gonna break. That's how good the quality of this material is. Now he's gonna insert the clip here with the trimming tool. Remember, you're gonna be able to get all these products on our website, TonnoFlip.com, once we launch early 2026. Another truck here at TFP Shop. Remember guys, you're gonna be able to get all these products on our website, TonnoFlip.com. Door visors, interior mats, tonneau covers, bed mats, Nerf bars, and more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like pickup trucks.